Welcome back to Auto Show Cars, where we bring you the most unique and fascinating vehicles from around the world. Today, we have something truly special, a Mazda Benz Motorhome. A rare combination of Mazda's engineering and the classic Benz design, this motorhome blends reliability, comfort, and style in one package. At first glance, this motorhome stands out with its retro-inspired look, a boxy yet aerodynamic shape that maximizes interior space while maintaining an elegant presence on the road. The front grille, headlights, and body lines give it a distinct, vintage feel, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Built for adventure, this motorhome is designed to provide both comfort and practicality. The side panels feature large windows, allowing for ample natural light inside. The raised roofline ensures plenty of headroom, making the interior feel spacious and inviting. At the back, you'll find extra storage space for all your travel gear. Some models also come equipped with external power outlets, water connections, and even an outdoor shower, perfect for those who love off-grid camping. Under the hood, this motorhome is powered by a reliable Mazda diesel engine, known for its efficiency and longevity. It offers a balance of power and fuel economy, making long road trips smooth and cost-effective. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through small towns, the engine delivers a steady and responsive performance. Stepping inside, the driver's cabin is well laid out, featuring a classic dashboard design with easy-to-read gauges and a comfortable seating position. The controls are simple and intuitive, ensuring a hassle-free driving experience even for those new to motorhomes. Moving further in, the interior is designed for both relaxation and functionality. The seating area converts into a cozy sleeping space, while additional bunk beds or fold-out options provide room for extra passengers. The layout makes efficient use of every inch, ensuring maximum comfort on long journeys. A compact yet fully equipped kitchen includes a gas stove, sink, and refrigerator, allowing you to cook homemade meals on the go. There are plenty of cabinets and drawers to store utensils, food, and other essentials. Even in a compact space, this motorhome doesn't compromise on convenience. A small yet functional bathroom features a toilet, sink, and shower, making it perfect for extended trips without the need for frequent stops. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple looking for weekend getaways, or a family on an adventure, this Mazda Benz motorhome offers the perfect blend of comfort, reliability, and style. If you're someone who loves road trips and freedom, this motorhome is an excellent choice. It's not just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels, ready to take you on unforgettable journeys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing vehicle showcases. See you in the next one.